Hello, my name is John and welcome to this introduction to electromagnetic contactors. I am a technical course developer here at JTL, where we define and create trade skills and practices for apprentices and qualified electricians. This bite-sized course has been designed for you to introduce the practical applications and technical operation of an electromagnetic contactor. After completing this course, you will have a better understanding of the operation of a contactor, auxiliary contacts, contactor control with direct online starters, selection and wiring of stop-start buttons, requirements for overload and under voltage protection for rotating machines, the basic requirement for safe isolation and dead testing around contactors, and basic fault identification. This course has been produced to facilitate your learner journey towards continuing professional development and will guide you through to additional courses here at JTL. Whenever and wherever you are, this course has been designed with you in mind to make accessibility as easy as possible. This, alongside every course, can be used on your mobile, tablet and desktop devices. There are additional courses for your continuing professional development. Just click on the links to find out more and sign up for the next course best suited for you. You can come back and access courses at any time for future reference with your personal login. Like and subscribe to our various social channels and share our content with your trade community. We hope you enjoy this course and we look forward to seeing you again on future courses for your CPD.